I have goggles. And these goggles is what I want to introduce to everyone. These are Dji V2 goggles. They have newer goggles, cheaper goggles, but these are digital goggles. They allow you to see what the camera sees on your drone. And we've got different types of cameras that you can get. But when you're just starting, it's really important to be able to see. And when you're flying your drone, you want to have the greatest quality video ever. So you want to have a digital video. And when you're using the DJI system, you're going to get the best quality. A lot of the newer analog systems have a really great quality. There's a bunch of systems out there, but I kind of stick with DJI here at the shop, and that's what I'm selling. I like to sell the polars. These are the DJI, the Vista polars, and they have great camera. You're able to see at night, so it lets you see at night. And when you put these goggles on, you're looking out of the lens of this vehicle. So when you're flying, you know, you're able to see everything that your camera's seeing. It puts you right there in the cockpit of the vehicle. It's amazing. It's amazing. And you can see this image here. This is the DJI Vista camera. You can see he's flying through the woods. And you can't really fly in the woods using an analog camera because it's so grainy. The image is so grainy, so you're not able to fly in the trees, you know, because you'll hit a stick. But with these cameras, I mean, you can clearly see he's flying through the treetops. He's got an amazing image, and this is the actual image that he's seeing in his goggles. So, and by the way, it has the DJI Vista Air units. They have a built-in DVR, so you have a record button. You can record your videos while you're flying, so you can play them back after you get finished flying, and it makes you really easy to access your videos. So these goggles, these are the older V2 goggles, and I've got some modifications on them. They've got some antennas, and it's got an iFlight crystal patch on it that gives me a little bit better range. But you can get these goggles for around $300. You can get the newer versions for around $350 to $400. And then, of course, after you buy the goggles, you're going to need the drone. And we've got all kinds of frames here that I build. Lots of different frames. We've got Cinewoop frames, cinematic frames. And then if you want the bigger style drone frames, we've got those. Like the DJI S800, the bigger models, the smaller DJI models. And then we've got the iFlight ProTech 35, the ProTech 25, and then we've got smaller racing whoops. So I got a little bit of everything. This is the prop wall here, guys. And if you need motors, ESCs, I've got lots of stuff for whoops. I've got Speedy B. I've even got landing gear for airplanes. I've got fuel tanks. And then I've got all kinds of DJI parts and components. We've got gimbals. I've got flight controllers, motors, and then we've got batteries. Lots of batteries, guys. I've got lots of parts for lots of things, especially DJI stuff. So if you've got a Mavic or any kind of DJI drone, come see me and immerse yourself in the world of FPV. And at the Drone Racers Warehouse, we welcome you here in Savannah, Georgia, Pooler, Georgia. Thank you, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.